Alright guys, part 2. I'm gonna put some ammo in the gun. Let me shoot it. That was really loud. I don't like on the camera. I recorded a new one. Guys, I'm gonna load this gun. Some holes. You don't have this gun. It's pretty sweet. It's on commercials. It's the best gun I have. Right now, well, my favorite is the RPG. But I'm gonna shoot it at you. I missed. Guys, I missed. I shot the wall. Alright, okay, guys, so remember last episode? I think we have some just for my YouTube channel. 2 seconds ago. I'm sorry, go through it. Remember I made this big battle? It's still here. I'm gonna show you guys it. Yeah, it's still there. Guys, bye. Bye, guys. Bye.